You can get paid $75 every day for free easy work. Yeah, this is the make money online opportunity that I'm about to reveal in this video. You have to just stay tuned, and it's easy work. You can make more than $75 or less. More work you do, more money you can make. Just stay till the end. I have shown you a great way, great strategy, and some bonus tips that you can increase your earning without any problem. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Money Honey. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, without further ado, let's move on to the method by which you can get paid $75 or more or less. More money you can make, more times you have to spend, and you can make money without any problem, free for fall. The site that I have to show is this Spreezy.com. This is Spreezy.com. This is a site that you can see that according to their terms make your video go viral. So this is a tool that can provide value, provide viewers, provide subscribers to your video. So what video? Definitely your YouTube video. So if you have a YouTube channel and you can make money with it, you can just get viewers to your videos and you can just take subscribers. They're going to provide you a quality view, quality subscribers to your YouTube channel without any hassles. And this is really cool. But why you need viewers? Yeah, definitely you need money. So we are not getting viewers from these websites. This is a complete set of tools. This is a really that's I'm to show you this process. For the make money process of this strategy, we need to learn more about how they work. So if you just scroll down, you can see that they are really getting 4.9 ratings on Google, and they have some customers from like Honda House, Scientology, and big companies like that. And you can just scroll down and you can see that the process of their tool is just simply you just tell your YouTube channel videos and keywords, and they will just simply automatically provide YouTube ads to the world, and you will get tractions, you will get traffic, you will get viewers, and you will get subscribers. These all are not fake, not bot, no automations. It's all manual, it's all real people, real viewers, real followers to your channel to and grow your channel. You can see that people's these videos are making a tons of subscriptions, tons of views getting there, and it's really working for them. So Spreezy is really a good tool. If you have many categories, you can have a music channel, games channel, vlogging channel, family channel, health and beauty channel, educational website, books and TV movies channels. Any channels you have, you can increase the popularity, views and subscriptions by using Spreezy.com. So they are really good, really solid in this field, because if I just go over to their review sections, you can see that people are really happy to have this type of service. And you can see that they are working since 2017. So they are working really well. If you just go on to their Trustpilot sections, if I just search it on Trustpilot, you can see that Spreezy.com is having 4.6 rating, and this is really cool. Some hundreds of people are reviewing this site, so getting 4.6 rating on Trustpilot is not that easy. So people, almost 80% people are loving these sites and getting 5-star rating to Spreezy.com. So this site is a trusted, and this site is a solid tools that will definitely make you money because we are using these sites to make money with it. So how we are using these trusted sites? So if you scroll down below, if I just go click on affiliate program, yes, this is the program that we are going to make money. So if you just go over to their affiliate program, and it will show something like this. They are asking for registration. So if you just simply want to become their affiliate, you have to be a good promoter. But definitely just wait, I'm going to show you some easy way you can get targeted users without any problem. So all it takes, they are asking for $1,000 monthly sales from you, so as an affiliate. So this seems like a difficult task, but the way I'm going to show you, it's a very easy process. You just simply step by step target some small audience, and you can per month have a bigger customers without any hassle. So all it takes is just contact them and tell them how you can promote, and I'm going to show you how you can promote it, and they will definitely allow it, and you can just register there and you will get accepted without any problem. So if you just go over to their frequently asked questions sections, you can see that they are selling for like $50 for one video. If a customer want to promote or get subscriptions or viewers to a video, they have to minimum pay $50 budget. So according to the affiliate program of Spreezy, you can make around 15% commissions from that. So $50 and 15% commissions, it's like $7.5 per customer. So it's not seems that much, but definitely believe me, this is a trusted site, this is a trusted tool. People are loving it. Most of the people are loving who are using this website, getting results. So if you ask for 10 peoples, almost 8 of 9 of them will be happy to use these sites, because these sites is real. So why not promoting a real tools than other fake tools like out there? So if you just promote these tools, people will definitely trust it, people will trust you, and people will be happy to use these tools. So what it takes to get it into the field. So if you're liking this method already, please go down below, press the like button, and let me know in the comment sections how you like about this method. And if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, with my videos. If you just get approval from their affiliate programs, all it takes is just go over to Google, and you can search for like how to grow your YouTube channel. You can search anything like that, and if you just scroll down, you will just read some articles like this, step by step articles, and you just simply rewrite it using spinbot.com, or you can just simply rewrite it by your own words. You don't need to have a long articles, just simply step by step guides. You just go over to Docs, Google Docs, and you can see that I have created a ready-made template for it. Just simply put a title like this. I have written step-by-step guide to grow your YouTube channel, and I have designed something like this, and I have simply stated some 10 tips like to grow any YouTube channel, and I have just copied it from Google. You don't need to copy, you just write it in your own words. You can you can get ideas from Google, and if you just simply put it all together, and at the bottom of your guide, you can say like, also check out these tools that will skyrocket your success, your YouTube channel success, and input your Spreezy affiliate link here, and people will definitely love to go through these links if you just promote these Docs, Google Docs. So all it takes is just simply hit on the share button here, and it will show something like this. You just get the link and select that anyone with the link can see your documents, and just copy this link and you can start promoting. And all it takes is just as it is, you will get targeted traffic from facebook.com. Yes, you just simply go over to facebook.com. You can just search for like YouTube channel growth here, and you can just click on groups and it will show all the groups related to YouTube, and you can just promote your post here. But definitely you cannot spamming is not allowed everywhere. You cannot just put Spreezy affiliate link here, Spreezy affiliate link. No affiliate link is allowed on Facebook right now. You can just simply go over to these groups and you can just join it, and you can just provide valuable post, and you can build a trust there, and you can simply post something like this. Like you can write like you have a step-by-step guides to skyrocket your YouTube success. You can grow your YouTube channel within months. Simply follow this step by step. I have a step-by-step free guide which is free for the limited time. If you can just tell people like that, if you want that guide, just hit the like button and comment below so that I can give you the link for the limited time. It's only free for the limited time, so just hurry to like or comment this and post something like that, and definitely believe me, people will definitely comments or like those posts. And if you just get any comments or likes, you just target, those are the targets audience for you. You just message them, inbox them, and you can just contact them, and you can send your Google Docs links to them, and definitely most of them will definitely join Spreezy, and these are the targeted customers from this. And you can also go over to those groups members, and you can ask personally that you have a training or you have a good guide that is limited time for free. You can give it for free, and you can see how people are making and growing YouTube channel. You can just simply take attractions from that way. You can just contact peoples, but definitely in the both ways you will get a good amount of traffic every day. If you just target like 100 to 200 peoples every day, you can expect at minimum you can expect to 10 to 20 peoples to respond to that post, and you can target those peoples. And believe me, those are the really targeted customers, so most of them will be very much happy to join Spreezy affiliate programs and avail this opportunity and use their tools to grow their YouTube channels, and in this process you will make money. So it's a win-win situations for everyone. You can make money, they will get viewers, and they will make money on YouTube as well. So this is really a good way to start making money without any problem. All it takes is just to be active and money will follow you. So this is it guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.